morning students, welcome to Adas Vidyalaya Max online class. Now we'll see the chapter set language 1 marks. Choose the correct answers. Exercise 1.7. First question, which of the following is correct? We have 4 options. First one, set of 7 belongs to 1 to 10. 2, 7 belongs to set of 1 to 10. Third one, 7 not belongs to 1 to 10. Fourth one, set of 7 not a subset of 1 to 10. Here belongs to means only element of the set. Therefore first one is a set of 7, that is a not an element, that is a subset. Second one, 7 is belongs to set 1 to 10. Therefore what is the answer is? Yes, the answer is option 2. 7 is belongs to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, because that is 7 is an element of the set. Can you understand? Okay. Second one, the set P equal to set of x such that x belongs to z, minus 1 less than x less than 1 is a, we have 4 options. First one, singleton set. Second one, power set. Third one, null set. Fourth one, subset. What is the meaning of singleton? That is one element. Power set, all subset are called power set. Null set, they have no element, that is null set. Subset, all elements in a set, that is called subset. Okay, right. First explain the question. Here x belongs to integer, z means integers. Minus 1 less than x less than 1. Between minus 1 and 1, what are the integer? What is the integer of minus 1 to plus 1? Yes, that is 0 only. Therefore P equal to set of 0. We have how many elements? Yes, that is only one element. Therefore what is the answer is? Yes, option 1, singleton set, because we have the set P equal to 0, set of 0. It is only one element. Singleton set means only one element. It's called singleton set. Can you understand? Okay. Third question, if u equal to x such that x belongs to n, x less than 10, and a equal to x such that x belongs to n, 2 less than or equal to x less than 6, then find a dash. First explain u. What are the elements of u? X belongs to n means that is natural number. We are start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only, because less than 10. So u value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is element of a equal to? That is also natural number, but 2 less than or equal to x less than 6 means we have to write 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Therefore what is that? A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Now find a dash. What is meaning of a dash? That is u minus a. Now cancel the elements 2, 3, 4, 5. The remaining answer is 1, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 6, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is the answer. But we want a dash the whole dash. That is a question. Okay. Therefore a dash the whole dash means we write u difference a dash. So a dash value is 1, 6, 7, 8, 9 is cancelled. Remaining element of u equal to a. That is a answer. A is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Fourth one, if B is subset of A, then n of A intersection B is. That is a question. We have 4 options. First one, n of A difference B. Second one, n of B. Third one, n of B difference A. Fourth one, n of A. B is subset of A means B is an element of A. See the Venn diagram. This is the B subset of A Venn diagram. Here A intersection B equal to A intersection B is only B. Therefore, n of A intersection B is, answer is 2, option 2, n of B. Okay. Fifth one, if A equal to set of x comma y comma z, then the number of non-empty subset of A is. First we find the number of subset. Here what is n of A equal to? N of A, number of elements, that is 3. What is number of subset formula? 2 power m. So m equal to 3. We substitute 2 power 3, that equal to 2 into 2 into 2. What is answer is? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Non-empty subset, that is number of proper subset. So 2 power m minus 1. 2 power m value is 8. 8 minus 1. What is the answer is? Yes, the answer is option 4, 7 answer. Question number 6. Which of the following is correct? 1. Pi is subset of A comma B. Second, pi is belongs to A comma B. Third one, set of A belongs to A comma B. Fourth one, A is subset of A comma B. We know that belongs to or subset. Belongs to means is an element, only element. Okay. Subset means is in set of A, that set. We have right set bracket value. Okay. So every subset is an compulsory empty set, that is pi symbol. Therefore the first one is answer. Hint, empty set is an improper subset. Okay. Question number 7. If A union B equal to A intersection B, then we have 4 options. First one, A not equal to B. 2, A equal to B. 3, A is subset of B. 4, B is subset of A. What is the answer is? A union B equal to A intersection B. That means A equal to B. Therefore, option is 2, A equal to B. That is a answer. Eighth one, if B difference A is B, then A intersection B is first one A, second one B, third one U, fourth one empty set. So B difference A that equal to B means A and B are disjoint set. Therefore disjoint set means that is no intersection elements, that is empty set. Then what is answer is? Empty set. Option is 4. 4 option. Answer is empty set. Okay. Question number 9. From the adjacent diagram, n of p of A delta B is, what is answer? First we find A delta B. What is the formula of A delta B? Yes, that is A difference B union B difference A. What is the answer of A difference B? That is only A. 60, 75, 80. Next we find B difference A. What is answer of B difference A? That is only B. So only B means 70 and 90. Therefore we take union A difference B and B difference A. What is the union of A difference B and B difference A? Yes, that is 60, 70, 75, 85 and 90. That is A delta B. Now find n of P of A delta B. That means number of subset in A delta B. First we find n of A. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore 5. N of A equal to 5. So number of subset formula 2 power m. Therefore 2 power 5, that equal to, we have write 2 in 5 times. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. That is 2 power 5 means that equal to 32. Therefore the option is 3. Answer is 32. Okay. Question number 10. If n of a equal to 10, n of b equal to 15, then the minimum and maximum number of elements in a intersection b is. Now take, we have any one value of n of a 1 to 10, and also take b value is 11 to extra 15 value means 25, that is we have 15 values. Now take intersection first. Any one intersection value, a value is n of a is 1 to 10, b value is 11 to 15. We have any common value? No. Therefore that is minimum, that is a minimum. Okay, so no common value means that is empty set. Second one, we have to write a equal to 1 to 10 and also b equal to 1 to 15. That is any common element? Yes, that is 1 to 10. That is maximum number of common elements. So minimum is 0, maximum is 10. Therefore option is 4. Answer is 0, 10. Can you understand? Okay. Question number 11. At a equal to set of empty and b equal to p of a, then a intersection b is. Okay, we have 4 options. One empty set or set of empty, second one set of empty, third one empty set, fourth one set of 0. Right, first we find p of a. P of a means that is power set. Power set, all set of all subset is called power set. We have write first subset. What are the subset is of a equal to, first we write empty set and then element empty. Okay, therefore we have to two set, power set, empty one, set of empty, that is second set, that is b. Now a intersection b equal to, what is answer is only set of empty. Therefore option is 2. Answer is set of empty. Can you understand? Okay. Question number 12. In a class of 50 boys, 35 boys play carom and 20 boys play chess, then the number of boys play both game is. Option is 1 5, 2 30, 3 15, 4 10. Hint. Now write n of a union b formula, that is n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So total number of boys, that is n of a union b. Play carom a, n of a. Play chess student boys only, that is n of b. Now find n of both games means find n of a intersection b. Substitute the values. N of a equal to a union b equal to 50, n of a equal to 35, n of b equal to 20. Therefore 50 equal to 35 plus 20 minus, we find n of a intersection b. Therefore 55 minus 50, that equal to 5. N of a intersection b equal to 5. Therefore what is answer is 5. Option is 1. Okay. Question number 13. If u equal to set of x such that x belongs to n and x less than 10, comma a equal to 1 2 3 5 8 and b equal to 2 5 6 7 9, then n of a union b the whole dash is. First we find the a union b. We explain u equal to, that is natural number less than 10 means what is u value is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that's all. A and b is given. First we find a union b. What is union means, that is join the both sets. Therefore what is elements are 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9, right? Next we find A union B the whole dash. That means U difference A union B. Difference means first we cancel the common elements. What are the common elements? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All common elements are cancelled. The remaining element of U equal to only 4. Therefore A union B whole dash equal to set of 4. Here how many elements of A union B the whole dash? Yes, that is 1. Therefore n of A union B the whole dash equal to 1. So option is 1 and answer is also 1. Can you understand? Okay. Question number 14. For any three sets P, Q and R, then P difference Q intersection R is first one P difference Q union R, second one P intersection Q difference R, third one P difference Q union P difference R, fourth one P difference Q intersection P difference R. Here what is the question is P difference Q intersection R. That is a formula of set difference. A P Q R set difference formula. P difference Q intersection R that equal to P difference Q union P difference R. That is a formula of set difference. That is option is 3. Answer is P difference Q union P difference R. Okay, that is a formula of set difference. De Morgan law for set difference. De Morgan law for set difference formula. Question number 15. Which of the following is true? That is first one A difference B equal to A intersection B. Second one A difference B equal to B difference A. Third one A union B the whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. Fourth one A intersection B the whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. That is we have to write De Morgan law for complementation, set of complementation. What is the formula? A intersection B the whole dash equal to A dash union B dash first one. Second one A union B the whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. Here what is the option 4? That is De Morgan law for complementation of set. That is A intersection B the whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. Therefore option is 4. Answer is A intersection B the whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. That is De Morgan law for complementation. Question number 16. If n of A union B union C equal to 100, n of A equal to 4x, n of B equal to 6x, n of C equal to 5x, n of A intersection B equal to 20, n of B intersection C equal to 15, n of A intersection A intersection C equal to 25, and last one n of A intersection B intersection C equal to 10. Then the value of x is, that is a formula. One formula we have right. Option is A 10, B 15, C 25, D 30. We have right formula n of A union B union C equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Substitute all values. N of A union B union C equal to 100. That equal to n of A 4x plus n of B 6x plus n of C 5x minus n of A intersection B 20 minus n of B intersection C 15 n minus n of A intersection C equal to 25 plus n of A intersection B intersection C equal to 10. Now 100 equal to 4 plus 6x 10x plus 5x 15x minus 20 minus 15 minus 25, that equal to minus 60 plus 10. that equal to 100 that equal to 15x minus 60 plus 10. What is answer is minus 50. Therefore 15x equal to 100 minus x interchange the value, that is we get plus 50. Therefore 100 plus 50 that equal to 150. 15x equal to 150. Therefore x equal to 150 divided by 15. Now cancel the value, we get x equal to 10. Question number 17. For any three sets A, B and C, A difference B intersection B difference C is equal to 1 A only, 2 B only, 3 C only, 4 empty set. A difference B intersection B difference A is no common value, that is empty set is equal to empty set. Therefore what is option is 4, that is answer is empty set. Okay. 18th one. If J equal to set of three side shapes, K equal to set of shapes with two equal sides, and L equal to set of shapes with right angle, then J intersection K intersection L is first option set of isosceles triangle, second one set of equilateral triangle, third one set of isosceles right triangle, fourth one set of right angle triangles. Hint J, that is we have 3, K equal to right angle triangle, L equal to that is triangle. We have common one is set of right angle triangle, okay, and then isosceles triangle means that is we have two common sides. Therefore option is 3, answer is set of isosceles right triangle. Okay. Question number 19. The shaded region in the Venn diagram is first one Z difference X union Y, second one X union Y intersection Z, third one Z difference X intersection Y, fourth one Z union X intersection Y. That is shaded region. That part is, that is set difference, De Morgan law for set difference formula. Third option is Z difference X intersection Y, that is a answer. Okay. Question number 20. In a city 40% of people like only one fruit, 35% of people like only 2 fruits, 20% of people like all the 3 fruits. How many percentage of people do not like any one of these above 3 fruits? First one 5, option 2 8, option 3 10, option 4 15. First we draw a Venn diagram. First 3 fruits like, that is common value is intersection 20%. Next only one fruit, that is X plus Y plus Z equal to 40. Both 2 fruits A plus B plus C that equal to 35. Now find the value of only one fruit. Okay, only one fruit means any one value. Therefore 40 plus 35 plus 20 plus X equal to 100. Total number of percentage 100. So that is 40 35 75 20 95 plus X equal to 100. Therefore X equal to 100 minus 95. What is answer is 5%. Therefore option is 1, answer is 5. Can you understand? Okay, thank you. We'll see you in next class.